Hey guys!
Hey guys!
And today we are going to be unboxing a Pokemon card booster pack.
You're holding it upside down, dude.
Oh.
You're holding it upside down.
A booster pack?
And then, I'm gonna be opening this.
A sandcastle.
It's not a sandcastle.
Alright.
It's like a little bit of sand and then like a mold. But
alright.
like
Let's open.
Glued, so open it. Oh.
Yeah. Alright.
Look at design.
Open.
It's so cool.
Let's put the rarest in the back. We got
a
ball toy. A Wooper.
I'm not gonna get to
Goomy.
How am I gonna open this?
Beldum. Persian. Curly.
I can't open it.
Spirit Link. Arm grabber thing.
I need help.
Echo Arm.
I need help.
A shiny Sligo. And a Reggie. A Reggie Rocco.
I can't open this. It's glued. It's glued. I don't know if you can see that.
It's hot glue.
It's hot glued.
Anyway.
How am I going to open this?
This is the mold.
Okay. I think you guys are going to be stuck here for hours.
No, not hours. If it was hours.
I need a knife or something.
Give me this. I am the master of unboxing, okay?
I need a knife.
Oh, wow. That is pretty tough.
Here, I'll go get a knife.
No. I can unbox this. Because
I'll just show you guys the sand.
Have weak muscles.
Oh, look. It's like a shape because
it
of
looks
the
like a
container. It's squishy. It's squishy. It's squishy.
Oh my God! Open.
Squishy. It's sand and it's squishy. It's kinetic sand.
Oh my God! Get that back in the container. You just legit spilled it everywhere.
I know.
Look at this.
I'm sorry.
What have you done?
I don't know.
All right. Well, Emily just cleans up her little predicament.
It's kinetic sand, so it's supposed to be easy. Why aren't you easy? You're not being easy for me.
I'm going to actually
be
open
easy. Be easy for me. Please be easy. Please.
Okay.
No.
I know this is going to be a stupid idea. I'm going to have to lay the smackdown on this thing.
What's a smack? Ready? Ooh, I cleaned up my mess. There. Jeez, that is messy sand. It's never gonna work.
Yes, it will. With smackdown powers, you can do this.
We need like a
Got it! I got it!
Yes! You got it! You got it!
Alright, let's try this mold right out.
It's my Okay, so here's the thing. Here's the thing. It's cool.
This
it's
is the mold.
It's a pyramid. So we're going to set this down. Let's grab some sand. Woo! Grab a lot
I need to help you. Just look. I'm going to grab this.
Yeah, push it. Push.
Here's some helpful sand.
Thanks. Oh, that's way too much.
Okay, I don't care.
You don't care.
Let's take a look at my cards while Emily does that thing. This is I was
Take a
hoping
look
for
at my
an
card,
EX,
you mean
but
card?
no. Reggie fighting. Rock throw, unyielding rock. Oh yeah, by the way,
I thought it would take the whole container.
this is all made by the Pokemon Company of Nintendo, and you can find these in stores. And then this, I don't know.
No, you can't find this in stores. It was just a random thing at the arcade.
Anyways,
This is not
Emily
well.
will finish that.
It's hard. There. Okay.
Now place your mold somewhere. We don't have a spot to place it.
I have a spot. Look. Okay. Bring the camera over here.
Alright, here you go, camera.
Wait. I need some kinetic sand for this.
Oh my god, you do not need kinetic sand for this.
Yes,
Just
I do.
place it.
Ready? Just gotta
I'm just gonna take the mold. Hey,
put it down and then place it.
this is horrible graphics, but I don't know.
It looks so cool.
Oh my god, that's a pyramid. Move your hands.
Okay. It's a pyramid of awesomeness. And by the way, guys, this is tiny. See?
Look at the size of that compared to behind. Look, compare. Compare.
It's tiny.
Alright,
Now that's
anyway.
cool, but now it's
That
tiny
was
too.
our first unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.